On the banks of the Tagus, the Monument of Discoveries stands as a stone testament to the age of exploration, a time when Portugal looked toward the horizon and dared to map the world. This site in Belém is deeply historical. It was from these very docks that ships once departed to bridge continents, forever altering the course of human history through navigation and courage. At the center of the plaza lies the Rosa dos Ventos. This intricate compass rose is not merely decor, it is a cartographic record of the ambitious maritime routes that connected east to west. Today, travelers gather here in the same spirit of curiosity that defined the 15th century explorers, drawn to the site that honors those who pushed the boundaries of the known world. The nearby Belém dock remains a poignant reminder of the maritime traffic that sustained an empire, now providing a serene vantage point to reflect on the legacy left behind. Even modern landmarks like the Portuguese restaurant now occupy this historic soil, serving as a reminder that the stories of discovery continue to live on, woven into the fabric of daily life in Lisbon.